Hello friends. This is Data Guru from Infoloomia. Today we will see how to fetch data from Microsoft SQL Server to Microsoft Excel. Means how to import data from SQL Server to Excel directly. This is possible from any table or from any view in SQL Server. Let's log in into SQL Server through Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. We have one database here, named AdventureWorks 2019. In this database we have few views. Here we are planning to fetch data from sales. V salesperson. As this is very small dataset for showcase. We need SQL Server instance name and database name to connect with MS Excel. As we have long SQL Server instance name, I will get this name from select command. To avoid any spelling mistake, then I will copy and paste. Now, let's open the Excel. Open Data menu. In Data menu, here you can see Get Data. In Get Data, you can see From Database. Let's connect with From SQL Server Database. Here we can see SQL Server Database Connection dialog box, where we have to put server name as copied, and database name is AdventureWorks 2019. This will directly connect to your SQL Server instance. Here you can see in a navigator, where we can see the available objects. Let's pick View. Sales. V salesperson. Here this is the data from View, which is connected with SQL Server. We can directly load the data as we have. Or we have option to transform the data. Let's transform the data. This will open Power Query Editor. Here you can do any transformation based on your Power Query Editor knowledge. I am removing only few columns which have no relevant data. Then just click on Close and Load. Data is here for you. We have 17 rows here. Let's verify with SQL Server. Select asterisk from sales.v salesperson. Here too we have 17 records. That's it friends. Comment in comment section if you have any further questions.